Hi everyone and welcome. In this short demo, I'm going to walk you through the General Ledger Analytics dashboard designed for Oracle Fusion customers. This dashboard gives CFOs and finance teams real-time visibility into profitability, working capital, variance drivers, and journal-level detail, all inside Power BI, with data directly delivered securely from Oracle Fusion using BI Connector. Before we jump into the dashboard itself, I want to quickly show how the data flows from Oracle Fusion into Power BI. On the right side, you'll see Oracle Fusion Cloud. This is the system of record holding general ledger balances, journal lines, account hierarchies, and accounting periods. In the middle, BI Connector acts as a secure bridge because Power BI does not natively connect to Oracle Fusion Cloud. BI Connector handles authentication and securely exposes GL subject areas to Power BI. The Power BI Gateway Server paired with BI Connector Server Edition automatically refreshes data from Oracle Fusion into a Power BI data flow. There are no manual exports. Finance users access live dashboards in the Power BI service, while report authors use Power BI Desktop to build and publish enhancements. This end-to-end pipeline ensures your GL metrics are always current, governed, and sourced directly from Oracle Fusion. With that foundation in place, let's walk through the dashboard. We'll start on the overview page, which acts as the executive control panel for the general ledger. Across the top are the global filters: period, company, line of business, services, and posted status. Any change here updates every visual instantly. At the top of the page, the KPI cards highlight important metrics. Below that, you'll see monthly trend analysis with the ability to toggle between revenue, expenses, net income, OpEx, and EBITDA. On the right is operating expense composition, so you understand structure, not just totals. This page gives CFOs an immediate snapshot of financial performance and margin trajectory. Profitability in cost drivers is the next page. Here we isolate what's driving margin. At the top, you'll see revenue, operating expense, payroll cost, and net income. Below that is payroll trend, including payroll as a percentage of revenue, which is critical for understanding scaling efficiency. On the right are the top 10 expense accounts, helping finance teams immediately see concentration risk. At the bottom is detailed operating expense with variance. This page answers the question, what is actually driving profitability? Now we'll move to the working capital and liquidity page. Here the KPIs focus on net working capital, current ratio, quick ratio, current assets. You'll see breakdowns of current assets and current liabilities, along with a net working capital trend over time. There's also a detailed balance sheet grouping with month-over-month variance. This page connects GL balances directly to Liquidity Insight without exporting balance sheets into spreadsheets. Next is account variance analysis, which is designed for close review discussions. At the top, you'll see net income month-over-month variance, payroll month-over-month variance, cost of goods sold month-over-month variance, the percentage of change driven by top accounts. The top variance by account visual isolates which accounts explain most of the movement. Instead of saying net income moved, you can say these 5 accounts explain nearly all of the change. Next is a profit and loss view. This page presents a structured profit and loss statement directly from Oracle Fusion GL data. Revenue and expense are shown by account across months, with net income calculated automatically. There's no manual sign clipping, no spreadsheet reformatting, and no separate reporting layer. This view is board ready. The final page is the journal line detailed drill through. From any summary page, users can select an account or variance driver and drill into full journal detail. This table includes account, accounting date, journal batch, category and source, debit, credit, and net values. There's also a back button to return to the previous page. This provides full traceability from high-level KPI to individual journal entry. All of this is powered by Oracle Fusion data delivered through BI Connector into Power BI. Because Power BI does not natively connect to Oracle Fusion Cloud, BI Connector provides a secure bridge, handling authentication, permissions, and automated refresh, while the curated semantic model ensures finance teams work from a single trusted source of GL truth. Thanks for watching this demo of the General Ledger Analytics dashboard.